I'm here to celebrate the striking down of DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, by the United States Supreme Court. This is a huge victory for LGBT people and people who believe that everyone should be treated equitably and fairly. The court struck down the Defense of Marriage Act, which many of us said was unconstitutional in 1996 when it passed, and many of us said it was nothing but mean-spirited and an attempt to degrade and put down lesbian and gay people in our families. And the court today recognized that same-sex couples should have the same federal rights, benefits, and responsibilities as their heterosexual counterparts. And this is significant. Where the rubber hits the road is when you talk about Social Security benefits, which were denied before, being able to be buried with your spouse in a veterans cemetery, immigration rights, a green card. It's over 1,000 rights and privileges under federal law that now same-sex couples who are legally married in the 12 states that we have married are entitled to. Well, and here's the thing. This is a great day to celebrate, so I'm celebrating tonight. But by midnight, we've got hard work to do. The state of Illinois does not recognize same-sex marriages, and we have civil unions here, and that means nothing. Nothing to anyone. And what we have to do is have marriage in Illinois, and we're going to work and make sure it happens. And it's not going to come from the governor, and it's not going to come from the speaker, and it's not going to come from the sponsor. It's going to come from people who will fight for their own rights. For people who stand up and say, I need to be treated fairly, I need to be treated equitably, and fuck those political folks who only come to us when they want their votes. The time is changing, and we're going to do it, and we're going to do it for ourselves. Because, as the song behind me is saying, we are family, and we're going to win, and we're going to stand up for one another.